In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a post on Craigslist. Whether you've sold an item, filled a position, or simply no longer need your ad to be visible, removing it is a straightforward process. Let's dive in and walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to head over to the Craigslist website for your area. This is the starting point for managing all your postings. Once there, look for the Account or ACPT link, typically located at the top of the page. It's usually displayed prominently, so it should be easy to find. Click on this link to proceed to the next step. After clicking on the ACPT link, you'll be directed to a login page if you're not already signed in. Here, you'll need to enter your email and password to access your account. This step is crucial as it ensures that only you can manage your listings. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your account dashboard. This is where you'll find all your active postings. Look for the section that lists your live ads. It's designed to give you a clear overview of all your ongoing listings, making it easy to manage them. Now, scroll through your listings to find the post you wish to delete. Craigslist organizes these in a straightforward manner, so you should have no trouble locating the specific ad you want to remove. Once you've found the right post, you should see an option to delete next to it. Click this delete option. Craigslist will then prompt you to confirm your action. This is a safety feature to ensure you don't accidentally remove a listing you want to keep. Confirm the deletion when prompted. After confirming, your post will be removed from Craigslist. It will no longer be visible to the public, and you will receive a confirmation email from Craigslist confirming the deletion of your post. Make sure to check your email to verify that the process has been completed successfully. And there you have it. Your listing has been successfully deleted from Craigslist. This process is designed to be user-friendly, allowing you to keep your account and postings up to date with minimal hassle. In conclusion, deleting a post on Craigslist is a simple task that helps keep your listings current and relevant. Remember, if you have any issues or need further assistance, Craigslist provides a help section that can offer additional guidance. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.